I'm running because I have really good news. The bluebirds, they're back! They're back! Woo! So it is true, I have seen bluebirds around the farm, which is very exciting. What that doesn't mean is that it's a guarantee that they're going to nest. I've just seen them flying around, so it's a really good sign, like really good sign. But now I need to start putting boxes out, and unfortunately I don't have all of them. So I'm going to start with the 4 that I have. The first ones I'm going to put out are from Orangeville Christian School. I've got a location in the back of the field adjacent to our property, and I think it's a great spot, so let's go put them up. And the first one that's going up is inspired by Easter eggs. Great job, grade 1s from Orangeville Christian. Really like it. There we go. Great job, guys. All right, let's put it up. All right, so now it is time for box number 2 from Orangeville Christian. I believe it's the grade 2 class, and I'm really impressed with your colors, guys. You really have a bold design, and I think the birds are really gonna like it. Great job with all these colors. I see some nice orange and some blue. You got the school OCS. Great job, guys. I like it. Now the box is mounted. There's a few things that I want to point out about mounting the box. First is that we want to put the hole about 6 feet off the ground, and then we point the box out of the prevailing winds, because actually what you'll see is the field is all over here. That is where they will be feeding, but the box is actually facing a little bit away from the field. I do that because the wind generally comes from the west. So I point the opening of the nest box towards the east, so it just protects them from the wind and the rain a little bit. Now, number 2 is open the side of the box, OCS. So now when we open the side of the box, this is how I will be able to check and count the eggs. I put in this little tray. If I have to, I can pull the nest out just a little bit, and then it doesn't fall apart. It also protects the wood from the nesting material. It just makes it really easy to clean out. We just make a little basket out of some cardstock to make it easier to clean out and to check the nest. All right, so I've been told that you guys have had a couple questions. So I was thinking maybe we should start a question period. So let's You guys have questions? I have answers. I hear that you have a question about what type of bluebirds we're trying to attract. Now, there are other kinds of bluebirds than just eastern bluebirds. So that's why it's a great question, and I'm glad that you asked. There are also mountain bluebirds and western bluebirds. They stay on the western side of North America. They prefer higher elevations, and they're in places like British Columbia and Alberta and Saskatchewan. That's where the mountain bluebird generally is, and the western bluebird is actually even further over and primarily stays within the western states. So we only have eastern bluebirds in Ontario, but we are super lucky to have them because they are beautiful birds. I don't think we'll be getting any mountain bluebirds, but it is a great question. I'm glad you asked. Back to the bluebirds. I'm going to be putting out Timothy Christian School's boxes now. I'm impressed, guys, and you went with something a little different. Wood burning, which is a great idea. And you really added some personal touch with the names and the school. So let's take a look at those boxes right now. I like this, all the names. Great job, guys. We got a verse here. We got some illustrations. Oh, and we got more on top. Then we have the grade 4s who worked on this box. Great job, guys. Really good. All right, let's go put it up. Now let's take a look at the second box from Timothy. I like what you guys got going on here. Timothy Christian School, very nice. Got some more great drawings. And then we have the guys who decorated it. And then we have the girls who decorated it. And we got some cool drawings on the top here. So, yeah, I really like the wood burning stuff. So, great job, guys. All right. I'm really impressed with the different designs.
Oh yeah.
I saw the bluebirds and I really know I just want to get them out just in case they're ready to go in a couple days. It's still going to be cold, so probably not, but I just want to get the boxes out. To the schools that haven't quite finished yet, don't worry, there's still lots of time to finish up your boxes and attract bluebirds and tree swallows. I'm just really excited and I want to get ready for the bluebirds because once it starts to get warm, they're going to want to start nesting really fast. So, in the next video, I will be putting out more nest boxes and I'll be letting you guys know if I see the bluebirds again. Remember, it's no guarantee that we're going to get bluebirds, but if I've seen them, it's a really good sign. And that's some good news. So, I'll see you guys in the next video.